Here's an update from the law offices of Lutz, Bobo, and Telfair.
Having knee surgery is hard enough. Now imagine having major complications afterward. Many doctors use a type of bone cement known as high viscosity, or HVC, to hold things in place after surgery. It's popular with surgeons because it's convenient to use, but there is mounting evidence that the bond it produces is not that strong. Researchers have noticed HVC is failing in some instances. The bond isn't holding as strong, it's loosening and coming undone. This is unacceptable, says Charlie Telfair of Lutz, Bobo, and Telfair, PA. Other reported problems include chronic pain and instability. If you've had knee surgery with this kind of cement and are now having problems, contact an experienced attorney. For 25 years, the trial lawyers of Lutz, Bobo, and Telfair, PA have helped people across Southwest Florida, and they are waiting to help you.
For more information about your legal rights, please visit suncoastpersonalinjury.com.